The Mozop leader wey be F0rest, he don come outside though. He don tell the Igbos wey dey for anywhere wey dey live for Nigeria say make dey stay, no fear. He say make dey dey where dem dey and make dem dey buy things if dey get money to buy, because Igbos go nowhere in Nigeria. No be small thing o my people. This one e don finally red. Okay my wonderful people, as that one dey happen, na dey come tell us say that as e dey be now, one youth couple don waka from im leg, don trek dey go Abuja. He say wan go see Tinubu. Say the thing wey dey happen for Nigeria now, e don too much. He no go fit take am again. Na one army wan stop am for road o. He say why you go wan come make this kind move? Say e no good o. The army wan Colombia am keep one side. As that one dey go on o, the information wey we still dey get now na all those people wey be say wey dey kpai people for inside Nigeria, dem don finally carry their motorbike dey enter inside city, and we dey hear say dem don take over all the whole forest wey dey for northern part. No be small thing o, things are happening. The same police wey come tell us say make we no use no gree for anybody o. The man don finally change am. He say this time around make you no gree for anybody. As e dey see dem dey dance for the matter, they say no gree for anybody na be the key now. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Ukweziokwu. Still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, as e dey be now, they say the leader of Mazap wey be Uwazuruike, the man don come outside o. He don tell the Igbos wey dey for Lagos, wey dey for Kano, wey dey for anywhere, say make dem dey where dem dey. He say no fear, say dem no go run for this country. Say enough. E be like say e don become enough. My people, let me play the video make you watch before we go come back come proceed.
Hapụ isi ebe niile ha nọ na mba dị iche iche ha gbalatara ala Igbo, ele ebe ha ga-anọ gaba. Onye Igbo ọhụrụ na ebe ọ nọ, ma ị nọ na ugwu Awụsa, ị nọ n'ala Yoruba, nọ sie ike, zụkọrọ ala ha, zụkọrọ ụlọ ha biri, tụwa ụmụ ha ime. Enweghị na-eme ntụ a na-atụ Igbo, a na-atụ ụjọ. Oge onye isi anyị Ojukwu dị ndụ na 1992-93, mụ na ya gbasịrị nkata. Ọ sị m ndozicha ndị Igbo na Lagos, dozie ha ọfụma. Ọmụnwa tinyere ezi Igbo Lagos, mụọ jụọ onye ọbụla 1993-94 m si were ezi Igbo Lagos. Nwachukwu ọkachi ndụ taa jụọ ya so na mere ezi Igbo Lagos. Ọ nwere afọ Uwazuruike na Mekwa Ojukwu nsika ọ dị local gọọmenti nọ na Lagos. Ha were sa besa ha ezigbo na the local gọọmenti mụa mere ya. Esi nke a gaa Kano mee steeti ezi Igbo Lagos. Gaa ịbụ nke Abuja mana ibe nweso ga Jos mee steeti ezi Igbo Jos. Ha ji na-eme ya bụ ebe ndị Igbo nwere nsogbu, ebe ha nwere nwe ndị a ga-ejide aka inyere ndị Igbo aka. Ha nọ m ebe a na-enye aka ndị Igbo ọbụla nwere nsogbu ebe ọbụla ha nọ. M ga-anọ ebe a na-eme na-ahụ maka ya. Achọghị m ịbịa kọwa akụkọ. Onye chọrọ ka otu bọọlụ ọbịa na soshal midia na-akọwere, ama nọ ebe a ndị Igbo na-eme elekshọn na Abuja municipal council, chụọ ha. Mmadụ ole ka m na-anọ ebe a da sponsor na Lagos? Mmadụ ole ka m na-anọ ebe a na sponsor? So m ịbịa tụwa ọnụ ọ dị ka onye inwe nsogbu bụ onye Igbo ebe ọ na ịnọ. Sọsọ na m gụtara na soshal midia, m ga-ewelichi ntinye. Enwere ndị na-agwa ndị Igbo bụ Jos, ndị South. Enwere oge ofu nwa agbọghọbịa onye mba mmiri Rivers steeti, oshi klọb na-anya moto n'abalị kpọgbuo mmadụ. I think a medical doctor Kenya, ọ bụrụ onye Igbo.
Yeah, my wonderful people. For those of you who know they hear Igbo, now here he send the message, go give the Igbo. So we there for different part of the Nigeria, say, make them know they fear for the things where they happen and the things where they tell them, say, you don't too much. And make them no grief for anybody. No be smarty, no, my people. As that one they happen, they say that one youth couple don't trek for 24 days from Ondo to Abuja to see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They say the guy don't tire for the things where they happen. I say no, I must work. Since we say we don't dey talk for media, you know they work. Just as we dey talk right now, saying go use the 2 leg, go reach for Abuja, make him go see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But as the guy there for road they go, you know say we get to Obachi for this Nigeria where we dey. One na police, the other one na army. As in the waka na one Obachi don't come outside. He say no, you know they go anywhere. They stop am for road and say they even want Balobi the guy. When I go watch am for this video, I go play you. May you watch the video.
I just want to pass a message. Put me wrong if I'm wrong. At least they should see what I felt since 4 days. Sir? No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Except you want to take me with force, sir. So just let me complete what I started, sir. Sir? Nobody is aware. Nobody is aware. Even the media is not aware. So that is why I just decided to do this, so I can just pass my message.
But you know where the presidency is?
Wherever he is.
I mean the presidency.
Wherever he is, I will meet there. Except let me just go there and let the president tell me he doesn't want to hear from me. Then I will go back. Because sir, you are telling them to come and carry me with force. You know I'm already live. They are doing hard. I know, then you see me with the flag. You know I'm not. You won't use force. No, excuse me. Sir, you want to spoil my phone? Sir, wait. Spoil my phone. Sir, people are watching.
Yes,
people,
that's why.
Sir, you want to spoil my phone? Sir, you want to spoil my phone?
My people, shebi you don't see am. The same army, the same police, na dem go come outside, come dey tell us say they never pay them salary o. Na dem suffer pass for inside Nigeria. If you don't know am now. But na the same people wey be say if the youth, anybody wey make move to change things, to make Nigeria better for anybody, na the same people go stop them for road and try to stop them make they know which way they wan go. Remember wetin happen for F0rest? Remember wetin for different protests wey youth don organize, say what they go do. Una who dey stop them the things to doing it? No be small thing, my people. However, may you leave your own contribution for inside comment section. As that one dey happen o dey. Una remember say a few days ago police come outside come tell us say this word wey they get, what they call no gree for anybody. They don gather intelligence say the word e be like say e go spoil a lot of things. Now we come outside for here come talk say this word wetin go spoil for them na the cars wey they collect. Say people no agree to give them. They don receive am say this one e go red though. Now make they come outside come make that statement. Nah, they don change them again. Yes. He say nah, make una no gree for anybody. Let's play the video, may you watch, and before we'll come back, come proceed.
No gree for anybody. No gree for. Oga said that no gree for anybody. Everybody should be at peace. No gree for anybody is not a criminal state. So fellow citizens of Nigeria, Oga said that if you see anything, come to the station and report. He's willing to cooperate with we citizens of this country. In his era, Lagos State go better. So if you see something, say something. If you cannot go to DPO, come to Keja, sir. Come to the commissioner. Come and report. No fear anybody. Thank you, sir.
My people, shey una don see am. If I tell you sometimes say for this country wey dem dey call Nigeria, sometimes I go dey waka, no even know where I dey go. E go be like say na my own, no be my own fault, because there is wetin we dey call confusion everywhere. However, I don hear am, so this time around, make you no gree for anybody o. No give them shishi, na so e be. My people, please share this video. And let's jump into this matter wey I still get for my table now. They say that all those people wey those territory wey dey buy people, this day you go see their new move now. You go see their new move, latest move wey they move now. Now I wan show you for this video, make you watch. Because as a citizen of Nigeria where you be, for people wey dey for Biafra, they already protected, because we get enough army for there. Biafra Liberation Army dey, resistance fighter dey, ESN dey, voluntary force dey, people, men wey dey vex, they dey on their own. So it's no go dey them too easy. For the other part of Nigeria, make you watch wetin dey come for your own side. Watch this video.
Masyaallah. Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Nigeria. This one na better visitor wey una get. If these people dey fit dey enter Abuja, dey do so many things wey dey do for inside Abuja, what of your village? That means say very soon, especially these people wey go come outside, e go say I be this one, I be Benin, I be Rivers, I be that, I be this. All these things una no need them now. Wetin everybody need na to prepare, welcome this better visitor wey everybody go soon get for inside Nigeria. My people, share this video and make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. If you like wetin we dey do, please do share our videos. If you like the update wey we dey give, please do follow us on our social media handles. Thank you so much.